Happy New Year's everyone. Since this is my first video of the new year, I'm back with 5 more winning products for you to sell in January and the rest of 2024. These proven winners are sure to make you a ton of sales on your dropshipping stores this year. So be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more content just like this. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's get right into it. All right guys, here's our top 5 winning products for January. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below. I'll send you guys the hottest dropshipping products to sell on your own stores directly to your inbox every 2 weeks at no cost to you guys. Also, I already went through and found the top AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products. I put them all in the last slide, so you guys can go through and download this exact presentation if you want to study it and start selling these products today. And with all that being said, let's go over our first winner for January. All right, so the first winning product that I have for you guys this year is this charging bracelet that you can see right here. I've seen it blowing up all over social media these last 2 weeks, and I definitely wanted to mention it in this video. So I said it's a simple product with a broad appeal. It's currently in the top 10% of like TikTok ads with a couple of brands scaling it. There's a few main AliExpress suppliers, which I already linked below, with 1,000+ recent orders and 5 to 13 day delivery. It's an easy product to make content with as there's almost unlimited targeting angles. I've seen quite a few viral videos focused on people who go to the gym and use AirPods as their AirPods die on them and they need a quick solution and a charger literally wrapped around their wrist. It's a very scalable, low ticket dropshipping product that's blowing up on multiple platforms right now. So this product only costs you guys $1.88 on AliExpress. You can actually negotiate that lower if you want to, but you can go on to sell it for $24.99, making you guys $23.11 per sale with a high 93% profit margin. So this is a great product with really high margins, and it's definitely something you'll want to focus on. The 3 interests I would start off targeting if you guys want to run Facebook ads with this product would be iPhone, Android, and AirPods. So let's go ahead and take a look at another top brand that's currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video that's promoting it. All right, so right here we have the USB phone charger bracelet from Psycholinks. They appear to be a niche dropshipping store. They're selling it for $24.95, marked down from $39.95. They have some high quality images over here, obviously taken right off of AliExpress and some other competitor stores. I like the review they have posted at the top. They have 22 imported reviews with 5-star ratings. You guys can see right there. Here's all of their different phones and bracelet sizes for their variant types right here, some features and benefits to the top. I don't see any quantity breaks or product page upsells, and I don't like that because this is a low ticket item. So you guys could definitely sell like a second bracelet for 15 bucks, a third one for $10, and keep increasing those average order values. So if we keep going down. Okay, so they do have something similar right here, buy 2, get 1 free using their code right there. But I would definitely use some sort of an upsell app and put all of those quantity breaks right up here at the top so your customers see it centerfold. So scrolling down, they do have some high quality content like we said. I would clean up the description a little bit. Obviously these are taken right off of AliExpress. There's some, features and benefits on here that the customers really don't care about, but I would definitely make this flow a little bit nicer, use some GIFs, use some videos taken right off of TikTok. And other than that, they have their reviews posted down here. So they do a decent job. They have their sticky add to cart button that stays at the bottom. They do a decent job justifying that $24.95 pricing point. I would just clean it up a little bit more as far as the description goes and add some product page upsells on there. All right, so here's the TikTok video. Point of view, your AirPods die mid-set. So I've seen this exact same video recreated for multiple brands and it goes viral each and every time. So I really like what they're doing with this content and they're simply recreating their competitors' content. All right guys, before we move on to our next winning product, let's talk video ads. You guys already know that video ads are essential to making sales on your dropshipping store. But if you guys test with stolen or bad content, that will greatly reduce your chances of success. You'll end up burning through your entire ad budget and you might even get banned on each platform. So to avoid that entirely, I recommend going with a proven to convert video ad package from Ecom Adz. I've been using Ecom Adz for years, and their videos are made with a proven strategy that the owners have been using for years to generate over $30 million in sales themselves. You guys can see some of their best-selling ad packages down here. They have their split testing ad package, their video ad package, their image split testing package, and my personal favorite, the TikTok split testing package. So let's talk about it. Each one of these packages includes unlimited revisions, delivery time in 1 to 3 days, And like I already mentioned, they're proven to convert. So when you guys are ready to try them out, simply place your order, fill out a submission form with more information about your winning products. Then you'll receive your video, and from there, you can request any revisions that you would like to. Here's an example of some of their work.
Are you tired of the same old hair routine? Check out this incredible heatless curling headband. It's a game changer for your locks. Just wrap it around, leave it for a while, and voila! Gorgeous curls without any heat damage. Get yours now and slay those effortless curls all day long.
Now you guys can see right here how much you can save by joining their VIP program. By joining their VIP program, you get 75% off all video editing packages, 1-day delivery and revision time, as well as priority support. So if you guys are ready to upgrade your video ads in the new year, use code Alexander15 to get 15% off your first video editing package from Viral Ecom Adz. All right, moving on to product number 2, we have this hair waver that you can see right here. I said this product has been making waves on TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook ads alike. It's gotten over 3,000 recent AliExpress orders with just one supplier alone, with over 300 5-star reviews on that listing. So this product is getting over 23,000 monthly searches according to the Glimpse data. And there's plenty of content out there for you to start using, and it's also easy enough to find creators and start outsourcing your own UGC. You guys can sell this product for $89.99, costing you $14.32 on AliExpress. And the more sales you make, you can obviously negotiate that product cost much lower. But right now it's making you guys a profit of $75.67 per sale with a high profit margin of 84%. So like I said, the more you sell, the lower your costs will go and the more your margins improve. If you guys want to start off targeting this product with Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would use would be personal care, hair care, and curly hair. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's selling this product, as well as a TikTok video promoting it, and see what we can improve on when we go to sell it ourselves. All right, so really quickly looking at the Glimpse data, you guys can see this is exactly what I was talking about right here. These are the monthly searches, and this is getting a little over 23K searches per month. So let's move over to the product page. This is the OG waver from Mermaid Hair. This is the top brand selling this product. You guys can see all of their high quality GIFs and images that they include on their product page. They're selling it for $79. They have their Afterpay installments right there. They have almost 1,300 high rated reviews and a lot more information about their product. So they have a ton of high quality images that you can see down here. They have their pop-up right there offering a 10% off promo code, probably capturing some customer emails. I really like that. I like all of their images. I like all of their GIFs. I like all the videos they include. They have a really good product description. You guys can see moving down. I like the way they set everything up. I have 0 complaints. Here's some social proof featured on Daily Mail, Yahoo News, and all these other sources. They have videos of it down here, the watch and learn section, other happy customers, their testimonials plastered right there. And here's all of their reviews. They have a great way of justifying that $89 pricing point, or was it $79? I don't remember. Going back up. Okay, so they do a great job of justifying that $79 pricing point. I have 0 complaints about this product page. I would definitely recreate something similar if you want to sell this product yourself. All right, here's a TikTok video of an influencer using this product. This is a paid promotion. They tagged the brand in this video, as there were a ton of people asking where to get it. All right, moving on to product number 3, we have this kid's custom name stamp that you guys can see right here. This custom name stamp allows parents to label their children's clothing, belongings, and anything similar. This can be useful when sending kids to public schools, sleepovers, or anything related. This product has been going viral in the parent niche this month, generating thousands of sales for multiple stores. There are plenty of reliable AliExpress suppliers with tens of thousands of recent orders, all with high 5-star ratings. This problem-solving product is getting around 20K monthly searches on Glimpse, and it only costs $2.97 on AliExpress. You can go on to sell it for $19.99, making you guys a profit of $17.02 per sale with a high profit margin of 85%. If you guys want to take this product the Facebook ads route, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be kids, parents, and elementary school. So let's go ahead and take a look at a Facebook ad that's selling this product, as well as the top store that you guys will be competing with. All right, here's this exact same product from the kiddo space. You guys can see how simple this content is to make, and it does a great job on social media. All right, here's the same product from the namestamp.com. We unlocked a mystery discount with this pop-up right here. I really like the way they set things up with this, capturing customer emails. There's just another pop-up there that we exited out of, but okay, I like the social proof they have up here at the top with the Trustpilot badge above the title. This is the children name stamp for $19.99, marked down from $29.99. You guys can see all of these high quality images over here. They do a really good job with their product page. They have the name stamp versus others, and then here's the features and benefits right here as a comparison. And here's some more high quality GIFs and images and some supporting facts about this product. I really like the way they set up this product page. I have 0 complaints, and here's all their ratings down here, taken right off of Trustpilot. Here's some FAQs answering their questions, some trust badges down here, free shipping worldwide, 30-day money back guarantee, 24/7 support. I really like this product page. I have 0 complaints about anything on here. They used high quality imagery. They use a bunch of supporting information that parents actually care about instead of just AliExpress descriptions, just copy and paste it onto your product pages. I don't see any upsells. I would definitely try to sell like 3 or 4 of these at a time instead of just one at a time. You guys could do like a second one for $15, third one for $10, a fourth one for like $5. You know, depending on how much you're getting this for with your supplier, you guys can definitely increase your average order value by bundling up and upselling these. But other than that, they did a really good job of showing this product in action and telling a story throughout their product page. All right, moving on to product number 4, we have this steam nail polish remover that you can see right here. I said this product is gaining traction on Pinterest ads and TikTok organic with only a handful of brands selling it right now. The top brand we'll go over in just a moment is running ads on all 3 major platforms: Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. Probably more, but that's all I was able to find. You can most likely negotiate lower pricing with suppliers once you start making sales to improve your margins, and it's also in the top 10% of best-selling products on AliExpress right now, according to their dropshipping center. The searches for this product are up 1,200% currently, according to the Glimpse search data. This product only costs you $19.74 on AliExpress. You can go on to sell it for $69.99 with a profit of $50.25 per sale with a good profit margin of 72%. So that's not as high as other profit margins of some of the products we've been going over, but for a profit of $50.25 per sale, you really can't complain. And like I've said with multiple products in the past, the more you sell, the lower pricing you can negotiate with your suppliers. I guarantee it. So the 3 interests I would start off targeting if you guys want to go the Facebook ads route with this product would be nail polish, nail salon, and nail spa. So let's go ahead and take a look at the top store selling this product right now, as well as a TikTok video promoting it. All right, so right here we have the Steam Pro from Baskla. This is the top brand selling this product right now. I do like the quantity breaks they have on here. We can bundle up and buy 2 units for $107. 20% off markdown. Already on top of this sale, they're selling for $59.95, marked down from $99.95. They have over 1,000 high rated reviews imported on this product page. You guys can see all the high quality content that they use right here. I like everything so far. I like their upsells, I like their imagery, I liked everything about this product, how they branded it to be with their store. Going down, they have some high quality videos and GIFs down here of their product. They're doing comparisons of why you should buy this product, and then they're showing some happy customers actually using it. So here's their social proof down here, their testimonials, you know, comments on social media. They have a certified warranty. I like that. And scrolling down, here's all of the reviews. So this is a really good product page, especially justifying that $59.95 pricing point. They have a ton of social proof. They have a ton of testimonials. They have a ton of supporting facts and information, GIFs, videos of the product, upsells of other products on here with their frequently bought together tab, more information about the warranty, their features. You guys can read more about this description right here. I really like the way they make things flow. I really like the aesthetics on this product page. I have 0 complaints. I would definitely make something similar when you go to sell it yourself. So this simple 5-second TikTok video is from the same exact brand, and it's gotten millions of views. All right, my 5th and final product that I have for you guys is this snow and ice remover for cars that you can see right here. I've seen this product blowing up all over social media lately, but the question that I have is, does this really work? So far, all of the feedback that I've seen for this product has been positive, so I will go ahead and say it does work, but this is definitely something you guys want to look into before you sell anything. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with a ton of unhappy customers. I said this product has gotten over 45,000 likes in 15 days on Facebook ads for one brand alone, and it's in the top 20% of liked ads on TikTok this month. It's a problem-solving product that's easy to source and make content around. Like I already mentioned, does it really work? I think it does. It offers an amazing 92% profit margin and has gotten over 10,000 recent AliExpress orders on just one listing alone. There's only a couple of other brands selling this product at scale, and it's a great product to build a one-product branded dropshipping store around. This product only costs you guys $2.56 on AliExpress. You can go on to sell it for $29.99, making you guys a profit of $27.43 per sale with a high profit margin of 92%. So this is the exact kind of product you should be looking for when you go to find products for your dropshipping store. The 3 interests I would start off targeting if you guys want to take this the Facebook ads route would be snow removal, snow, and winter gloves. So let's go ahead and take a look at another top store selling this product as well as a viral TikTok promoting it. All right, so this store calls this the USA-made electromagnetic snow removal master. It's a little bit too long of a title, but that's okay. They have 19 high-rated imported reviews right here, as you guys can see. They have some high-quality images of their product. Obviously, a lot of these are taken right off of AliExpress. I would definitely clean this up a little bit. You don't want too much text on your photos. The comparisons and the before and afters are pretty good. But other than that, you guys don't want to include too much. So they have their quantity breaks right here, their upsells, in the form of variants. So you guys can buy one piece for 40% off at $24.97, get 2 for $40.97, get 3 for $54.97, or you guys can buy 4 for $69.97. So I do like their upsells on here. They do include it on their variants instead of using an upsell app of some sort, so they're doing it for free. I do like the way they set it up. It could be cleaned up a little bit better, but other than that, I like the way they have the description set up so far. They're using facts and attention grabbers and hooks throughout their description. I like all of the high quality images, videos, and GIFs that they use on here. They do a great job of telling a story around this product. No complaints on their description so far. I would definitely clean up some of these images though, okay? That's my only complaint. It's just use a little bit higher quality images. But I like the GIFs, I like the videos, I like the before and afters, I like the description, I like the way it tells a story, the supporting evidence and the facts. Scrolling down, here's all of our reviews and a form to grab customer emails. I definitely do a pop-up form of some sort when customers land on your product page. But other than that, I really like this product page. They have a lot of social proof down here. They have customer testimonials. I have nothing to complain about with this product page. Other than the images, I would clean up a little bit and use some of my own custom content rather than just taking everything from AliExpress. But they do a good job of justifying that $24.97 pricing point. I like it. All right, here's a 26-second TikTok video promoting this product. They do a decent job of showing this product in use, the features and benefits, and what exactly you get out of it. I'm not seeing too many brands running this on TikTok organic, but there are a ton of paid advertisers on TikTok, Facebook, Google, Pinterest, and all of those different social platforms. Like I already mentioned, I have the top AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products already linked for you. You guys can find this in the description down below. Make sure to go through, download this, and start working with these suppliers today. You guys now have the hottest dropshipping products to sell in your stores in January and the rest of 2024. If you want more products just like these delivered straight to your inbox, then be sure to sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below. And if you found any value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.